Hello kids, I'm back again with another topic and the topic name is opposites. Yes, so monkey is here to help you. Okay, so let's start. Big, small, big, small. Fat, thin, fat, thin. Light, dark, light, dark. In, out, in, out. Lie, stand, stand. Up, down, up, down. Devil, angel, devil, angel. Dry, wet, wet. Full, empty, empty. Light, dark, dark. Beautiful, ugly, ugly. Sit, stand, stand. Tall, short, short. Man, woman, woman. Warm, cool, cool. Front, back, back. Sad, happy, happy. Liquid, solid, solid. Sunny, raining, raining. Child, grown up, grown up. Asleep, awake, awake. Deep, shallow,